Hey Vicky, have you ever been to an island?
No.
Come on, let's go then. Hello kiddies, welcome back. This video is going to be about Lakshadweep Islands.
Hey, is Lakshadweep a state?
No Vicky, Lakshadweep is a union territory and its capital is Kavaratti.
Means?
Union territory is an administrative division under the Republic of India with no own government of its own. It is a federal territory which is governed in part or in whole by the central government of India.
Oh, okay. But Lakshadweep is a total of 39 islands in the group of Lakshadweep archipelago.
Correct, and are three groups: Amindavi, Lakshadweep and Minicoy Islands. Out of all the islands, only 10 have been inhabited by humans.
Silica and corals are the only minerals of this territory.
Coconut is the only crop of economic importance.
Fishing, boat building, and tourism are the main drivers of economy.
Cherium, Suheli, Valiakara and Tinakara have been identified as international tourist spots.
It is known for the production and export of tuna fish. Pitti is an uninhabited island and is declared as a bird sanctuary with oceanic birds.
Many passenger ships like MV Arabian Sea, MV Amindavi, MV Lakshadweep, MV Minicoy and MV Kavaratti have been used to carry people from Cochin to islands and vice versa. Saint Ubaydullah Androt is believed to have preached Islam to the natives of this place, and hence 90% of the population here are Muslims.
Malayalam, Mahal, and English are the local languages here.
Alcohol is prohibited in all the islands except Bangaram Island.
Trees here are privately owned and unauthorized plucking of coconuts is punishable. High Court of Kerala at Ernakulam serves as the judiciary for this union territory.
Indian Naval Base INS Viparakshak was established to ensure security and smooth trade from these islands.
The only airport of this territory is Agatti Island, and main seaports are Kavaratti, Minicoy, Agatti, Kadamat and Kalpeni.
Now let's look at the provincial symbols for the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. That is it for today's video. In our next video, let's visit the smallest state in the country. Until next time, stay safe, wear your mask, wash your hands, and don't forget to subscribe.